So let's start. Number 10, your stomach rebuilds itself before it digests itself. Your stomach is one of the harshest environments inside the human body. Every day, it produces strong acid that breaks down food. The main acid, hydrochloric acid, is powerful enough to dissolve many materials and has a pH close to battery acid levels. That alone raises a simple question. How does the stomach not destroy itself? The answer is constant protection and repair. The inner lining is covered with a thick mucus layer that acts like a shield between acid and tissue. This mucus also contains compounds that help neutralize acid before it can damage the stomach wall. Even with this protection, stomach lining cells still experience heavy wear. To manage this, the body continuously replaces them. Many of these cells have short lifespans and are regularly regenerated from deeper layers of tissue. This renewal process is essential. If the protective system weakens, stomach acid can damage the lining, leading to ulcers or inflammation. In some cases, bacteria such as Helicobacter pylori interfere with this balance and increase the risk of injury. The stomach is also highly controlled in how it processes food. Acid, enzymes, and muscle contractions work together to break food down gradually rather than all at once. What makes this surprising is that most of this repair work happens silently in the background. While you are sleeping or going about your day, your stomach is constantly rebuilding itself to survive its own internal chemistry. Number 9. Your bones are constantly being replaced. Most people think of bones as fixed structures that stay the same once growth is finished. It feels natural to imagine the skeleton as something stable and unchanging over time. In reality, bones are living tissues that are constantly being broken down and rebuilt. Inside your skeleton, specialized cells are always at work. Some remove old or damaged bone tissue, while others create new material to replace it. This continuous process is called bone remodeling, and it happens throughout life. Bones are under constant stress from movement. Walking, lifting, and even standing create small amounts of pressure and micro damage. Over time, the body repairs these areas by replacing weakened bone with fresh tissue. This process also helps manage minerals. Bones store calcium and phosphorus, which are needed for many body functions. When the body requires them, bone tissue is broken down and released into the bloodstream, then rebuilt later. Because remodeling never stops, parts of your skeleton today are not the same as they were years ago. Different bones change at different speeds, but the system is always renewing itself in cycles. Exercise plays a major role in bone strength. Physical activity encourages stronger bone formation, while inactivity can lead to weakening. This is why astronauts experience bone density loss in low-gravity environments. Your skeleton is a living system that constantly repairs, adapts, and reshapes itself in response to daily life. Number 8. Your brain can create memories that never happened. Most people trust their memories. If something feels clearly remembered, it is usually assumed to be real. However, the human brain does not store memories like a perfect recording. It rebuilds them each time they are recalled. Scientists have shown that memory can be influenced in surprising ways. In experiments, people were shown altered images or told detailed stories about events that never happened. After repeated exposure, many began to remember these fictional events as if they were real. This happens because memory is reconstructive. Each time you recall an event, the brain rebuilds it using fragments of stored information. During this process, details can be changed, added, or removed without awareness. Outside influences also play a role. Conversations, photos, media, and suggestions can all affect how a memory is formed or recalled. Over time, people may become confident in memories that are partly or completely inaccurate. Eyewitness studies have shown how unreliable memory can be. People often misremember faces, actions, or timelines, even when they strongly believe they are correct. This has important consequences in real-world situations like legal cases. False memories do not mean someone is lying. In many cases, the person fully believes what they remember. The brain has simply constructed a version of events that feels real. Memory is flexible and useful, but not perfectly accurate. Some of the clearest memories people have may be partially correct, modified, or influenced by things that never actually happened. Number 7. You carry more bacteria than human cells. Most people think of the human body as a single organism made up entirely of human cells. That feels like the most logical way to describe yourself. In reality, your body is also home to trillions of microorganisms that live on and inside you at all times. These microorganisms are mainly bacteria, but also include fungi and other tiny life forms. They are found on your skin, in your mouth, and especially inside your digestive system. The largest concentration exists in your gut, where they help break down food and support digestion. These microbes are not random invaders. Many of them form a balanced ecosystem known as the microbiome. This system helps with digestion, supports the immune system, and even influences certain chemical signals in the body. Some bacteria help produce vitamins that your body cannot easily make on its own. Others help protect against harmful pathogens by competing for space and resources. Without this microbial balance, the body becomes more vulnerable to illness and digestive problems. The number of microbial cells in and on the body is extremely large, often estimated to be comparable to or even greater than the number of human cells, depending on how they are counted. This means that what you consider you is partly a combination of human and microbial life working together. What makes this even more surprising is how invisible it is in daily life. You do not feel or notice most of these organisms, yet they are constantly active, influencing digestion, immunity, and overall health. Number 6. Your body produces electricity every second. The human body is often thought of as purely biological, but at its core, many of its processes rely on electrical activity. Every second, your body generates tiny electrical signals that allow nerves, muscles, and organs to function properly. These signals are created through the movement of charged particles called ions, such as sodium, potassium, and calcium. When these ions move across cell membranes, they create electrical impulses that travel through the nervous system. Your brain is the largest producer of these signals. Every thought, memory, and decision involves electrical communication between neurons. These signals travel through complex networks at extremely high speeds, allowing the brain to process information and control the body. Muscles also depend on electrical activity. When you move your arm or take a step, electrical signals from the brain trigger muscle fibers to contract and relax in a coordinated way. Without this electrical system, voluntary movement would not be possible. Even the heart relies on electrical signals. A natural electrical pattern controls the heartbeat, ensuring that the heart contracts in a consistent rhythm to circulate blood throughout the body. Although the electricity produced by the body is very weak compared to household electricity, it is essential for survival. Without it, communication between cells would stop immediately. What makes this interesting is that the entire nervous system functions like a biological electrical network, constantly sending and receiving signals without any conscious awareness from you. Number 5. Your immune system can attack your own body. The immune system is designed to protect the body from harmful invaders such as bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. It constantly scans the body to detect anything that does not belong and responds quickly to eliminate threats. However, this system is not perfect. In some cases, the immune system can mistakenly identify the body's own cells as dangerous. When this happens, it begins to attack healthy tissue instead of protecting it. This process is known as autoimmunity. It can affect different parts of the body depending on which cells are targeted. In some conditions, the immune system attacks joints, leading to inflammation and pain. In others, it may affect the skin, organs, or nervous system. Scientists believe autoimmunity can be influenced by a combination of genetic factors and environmental triggers. In some cases, infections or other stressors may confuse the immune system and contribute to this misidentification. The body normally has mechanisms to prevent this from happening. Special immune cells are responsible for recognizing the body's own tissues and stopping attacks against them. When this system fails or becomes imbalanced, autoimmune conditions can develop. These conditions vary widely in severity. Some cause mild discomfort, while others can significantly affect long-term health. Treatments often focus on reducing immune activity to limit damage rather than completely stopping the immune response. What makes this especially surprising is that the same system designed to protect the body can, under certain conditions, become one of the sources of damage. Number 4, your brain uses a huge amount of energy just to exist. Most people imagine the brain as something that only works hard when you are thinking, solving problems, or focusing on something difficult. In reality, your brain is active all the time, even when you are resting or asleep, and that constant activity requires a surprising amount of energy. Although the brain makes up only about 2% of your body weight, it consumes roughly 20% of your total energy. That means a large portion of the food you eat is used just to keep your brain functioning even when you are not consciously doing anything. This energy is used to maintain electrical activity between neurons, regulate basic body functions, and process information from the senses. Even simple tasks like breathing regulation, heartbeat control, and temperature balance require continuous brain activity. Neurons are constantly sending signals to each other using electrical impulses. These signals require chemical energy to maintain the balance of ions across cell membranes. Without this constant energy supply, neural communication would stop almost immediately. The brain also stays active during sleep. While you are unconscious, it organizes memories, processes information from the day, and supports essential maintenance functions. This is one reason sleep is so critical for mental and physical health. What makes this surprising is how much energy is devoted to processes you are not aware of. Most of the brain's work is happening behind the scenes, keeping your body stable and your mind functioning without any conscious effort. Number 3, your body is replacing cells faster than you realize. The human body often feels like a stable structure, especially when you think about your appearance staying mostly the same over time. However, on a cellular level, your body is constantly rebuilding itself by replacing old cells with new ones. Different types of cells have different lifespans. Some cells in your skin and digestive system are replaced within days, while others, like certain cells in your liver or brain, can last much longer. This means your body is always in a state of partial renewal. The skin is one of the fastest changing systems. The outer layer is continuously shedding dead cells and replacing them with new ones produced in deeper layers. This process helps protect the body from damage and infection. Inside the digestive system, cell turnover is also rapid because these tissues are exposed to strong acids, enzymes, and mechanical stress from food. Constant renewal helps maintain the integrity of the system. Even parts of your blood are regularly replaced. Red blood cells, for example, have a limited lifespan and are continuously produced in the bone marrow to ensure oxygen is delivered efficiently throughout the body. Because this process never stops, large portions of your body today are not the same as they were a few years ago. Over time, this constant replacement creates a biological version of renewal happening at all times. What makes this interesting is that despite all this internal change, your overall structure and identity remain stable, even though the components are continuously being rebuilt. Number 2, your body can feel things before your brain understands them. When something happens in your environment, it feels like your brain instantly understands it. You see something, hear something, and immediately react. However, there is a small but important delay between physical sensation and conscious awareness. Your body's sensory systems detect information first. Receptors in your skin, eyes, ears, and other organs pick up signals from the environment and convert them into electrical messages that travel toward the brain. These signals move through the nervous system at extremely high speeds, but they still take time to process. The brain receives the information, interprets it, and then constructs your conscious experience of what is happening. This means there is a brief moment when your body has already detected something before your conscious mind becomes aware of it. In some cases, reflex actions can even occur before you realize what triggered them. For example, if you touch something hot, your hand may pull away before you consciously feel the pain. This happens because the spinal cord can initiate a reflex response without waiting for full brain processing. The brain then catches up a fraction of a second later, creating the experience of awareness. What feels instant is actually a carefully timed sequence of detection, processing, and response. What is surprising is how seamless it feels. Even though there is a delay, your brain integrates everything so smoothly that it appears as a single, immediate experience. Number 1, your DNA still contains ancient viral infections. Your body feels like a single, unified system, but deep inside your cells, there is a record of something far older than human history. A large portion of your DNA is made up of sequences that originally came from viruses that infected humans and our ancestors millions of years ago. These are called endogenous viral elements. They are fragments of ancient viruses that once entered reproductive cells. Instead of disappearing completely, some of their genetic material became permanently embedded in the host DNA and was passed down through generations. Over time, these viral remnants stopped behaving like active infections. They no longer spread between people like modern viruses. Instead, they became part of the genetic structure itself, copied every time cells divide and inherited like any other gene. Scientists estimate that a significant portion of the human genome contains these ancient viral traces. Many of them are inactive, meaning they do not cause disease or produce functioning viruses. However, some have been repurposed by the body over evolutionary time. In a few cases, viral genes have been adapted for useful biological functions. Certain elements are involved in processes like gene regulation and even play roles in the development of the placenta in mammals. What once was harmful genetic material has in some cases been reused by evolution. Most people never realize this hidden layer exists because it does not affect daily life in any noticeable way. You do not feel it, and it does not behave like an infection anymore. It is simply part of the biological history written into your cells. What makes this concept surprising is that your DNA is not just a record of human ancestry. It also carries traces of ancient biological conflicts, preserved silently across millions of years inside every cell in your body. Thank you for watching and sticking till the end. We've got plenty more videos coming in the future. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss them. See you in the next one.